The aquatic escapades of Ethan and Eleanor. In the realm of intrepid seafarers, Ethan and Eleanor embarked on an extraordinary odyssey aboard their meticulously restored vessel, Regina Maris. Their quest to explore uncharted waters and embrace the allure of the unknown propelled them into a breathtaking voyage filled with captivating destinations, unexpected adventures, and profound personal transformations. From the tranquil shores of their home port, they set sail, their hearts ablaze with anticipation and their spirits intertwined with the rhythm of the sea. The vast expanse of the ocean unfurled before them, a boundless tapestry of azure hues and whispering waves, beckoning them to unravel its hidden secrets. With each passing day, Regina Maris carried them further into uncharted territories, whispering tales of ancient mariners and forgotten civilizations. They'd encountered enchanting coves teeming with marine life, secluded harbors exuding the charm of bygone eras, and vibrant coastal communities pulsating with the energy of diverse cultures. Yet, their journey was not without its trials. Ferocious storms tested their mettle, mechanical failures threatened their progress, and moments of doubt crept into their minds. But through it all, their unwavering resilience and unwavering determination propelled them forward, forging an unbreakable bond between them and their loyal crew. Beyond the physical challenges, their voyage also became an introspective odyssey. They confronted their inner demons, embraced the solitude of the open sea, and discovered hidden depths of strength and resilience within themselves. The vastness of the ocean mirrored the vastness of their own potential, urging them to transcend limitations and embrace the boundless possibilities that lay ahead. As they navigated the ever-changing seascape, they encountered a kaleidoscope of human experiences. They rescued fellow mariners in distress, engaged in playful banter with friendly pirates, and forged lifelong friendships with kindred spirits from distant lands. Throughout their extraordinary journey, Ethan and Eleanor remained steadfast in their commitment to preserving the delicate marine ecosystem. They advocated for sustainable fishing practices, actively participated in ocean cleanup initiatives, and educated others about the importance of protecting the fragile beauty of the underwater world. Their unwavering dedication to environmental stewardship served as a beacon of hope, inspiring others to join them in the fight to safeguard the planet's precious oceans. Chapter 1. Embarking on the Seafaring Odyssey, weighing anchor. Ethan and Eleanor's inspiration to set sail. In the quaint seaside town of Port Blossom, nestled along the rugged coastline, resided Ethan and Eleanor, two kindred spirits bound by their shared passion for the sea. From their childhood days spent gazing out at the endless horizon, they dreamt of embarking on extraordinary voyages, exploring uncharted waters, and unraveling the mysteries hidden beneath the waves. As they matured, their fascination with the marine world only intensified. They devoured books about legendary seafarers, studied nautical charts and weather patterns, and spent countless hours tinkering with model ships in their backyard. The allure of the open sea called to them, promising a life of adventure and self-discovery. In their early 20s, Ethan and Eleanor crossed paths at the local marina, where they shared their dreams of sailing the seven seas. They instantly recognized in each other a kindred spirit, a fellow traveler yearning to escape the mundane and embrace the unknown. Their friendship blossomed into love, and together they made a pact to embark on an epic seafaring odyssey. With unwavering determination, they embarked on a meticulous quest to restore Regina Maris, a dilapidated vessel with a rich history. Day after night, they toiled tirelessly, pouring their hearts and souls into the restoration project. They replaced rotting timbers, patched frayed sails, and overhauled the aging engine, transforming the once derelict boat into a thing of beauty and resilience. As the day of their departure drew near, a mix of excitement and trepidation filled their hearts. They said farewell to their families and friends, promising to keep in touch and share their adventures from afar. With a final glance at the familiar shoreline, they set sail, embarking on a journey that would forever change their lives. Chapter 1. Embarking on the Seafaring Odyssey, encountering Regina Maris. The alluring vessel awaits restoration. Ethan and Eleanor's hearts skipped a beat as they first laid eyes on Regina Maris. Beached and forlorn, the old Baltic trader exuded an aura of faded grandeur, her once majestic hull bearing the scars of time and neglect. Yet, beneath the layers of decay, they discerned a hidden beauty, a testament to her storied past. With unwavering determination, they embarked on the arduous task of restoring Regina Maris to her former glory. Countless hours were spent meticulously repairing rotten timbers, exterminating wood-boring worms, and replacing frayed sails by hand. Each task brought them closer to realizing their dream of setting sail on their own seafaring Odyssey. As they delved deeper into the restoration project, Ethan and Eleanor unearthed fragments of Regina Maris's rich history. They discovered faded photographs of her previous owners, weathered logs detailing her voyages, and even a few old charts hinting at the adventures that awaited them. With each passing day, their bond with Regina Maris grew stronger. She was more than just a vessel to them. She was a symbol of their shared passion for the sea and their unwavering belief in the power of human endeavor. Finally, the day arrived when Regina Maris was once again ready to set sail. With a mixture of trepidation and exhilaration, Ethan and Eleanor cast off the lines, leaving behind the familiar shores of their home port and embarking on the journey of a lifetime. As they sailed away, they couldn't help but feel a profound sense of gratitude for the serendipitous encounter that had brought them together with Regina Maris. She was more than just a boat. She was their destiny, their vessel of dreams, and their faithful companion on the vast and boundless ocean. Chapter 1. Embarking on the Seafaring Odyssey, acquiring nautical expertise, preparing for the challenges ahead. With hearts set on embarking on their Seafaring Odyssey aboard Regina Maris, Ethan and Eleanor embarked on a rigorous journey to acquire the nautical expertise necessary to navigate the vast expanse of the ocean. They delved into the intricacies of sailing, immersing themselves in books, charts, and online resources to grasp the fundamentals of navigation, weather patterns, and marine safety. Ethan, with his background in engineering, eagerly devoured technical manuals studying the mechanics of sailboats and the principles of marine engineering. He spent countless hours poring over diagrams and schematics, familiarizing himself with the intricate workings of Regina Maris's engine, electrical systems, and rigging. Eleanor, with her natural affinity for languages, focused on mastering maritime communication and navigation. She meticulously learned the semaphore flags and practiced Morse code, ensuring they could communicate effectively with other vessels and coastal authorities. Additionally, she delved into the art of celestial navigation, studying the movement of stars and planets to determine their position at sea. Together, they attended sailing courses and workshops, honing their practical skills under the watchful eyes of experienced instructors. They learned how to hoist and trim sails, maneuver the vessel in different wind conditions, and respond to emergencies at sea. With each lesson, their confidence grew, and their dream of setting sail became more tangible. Beyond formal instruction, Ethan and Eleanor sought knowledge from seasoned sailors and local experts. They engaged in conversations with fishermen, harbor masters, and fellow yachters, gleaning invaluable insights and tips from those who had spent their lives on the water. Their unwavering dedication to acquiring nautical expertise paid dividends as they gained a deep understanding of the sea, its complexities, and the vessel that would carry them on their extraordinary journey. With each new skill mastered, their anticipation for setting sail and exploring the world's oceans intensified. Chapter 1. Embarking on the Seafaring Odyssey, assembling a diverse crew. Unique personalities unite for the journey. Ethan and Eleanor's quest to sail the Regina Maris across vast oceans required a crew as extraordinary as their vessel. Their journey would span diverse lands and cultures, demanding a team with a kaleidoscope of skills, experiences, and perspectives. The first to join their ranks was Samuel, a seasoned navigator with a weathered face and a wealth of tales from his years traversing the globe. His expertise in charting courses through treacherous waters and reading the subtle signs of the sea proved invaluable. Next came Isabella, a marine biologist with an insatiable curiosity and a profound love for the ocean's inhabitants. Her knowledge of marine life and unwavering commitment to conservation made her an indispensable member of the crew. Then there was Jack, a jovial and resourceful engineer with a knack for solving mechanical problems with ingenuity and a touch of humor. His ability to keep the Regina Maris running smoothly, even in the face of unexpected breakdowns, earned him the respect and admiration of his shipmates. Rounding out the crew was Amina, a fearless and agile deckhand with a past as colorful as the ports they visited. Her unwavering loyalty, quick wit, and unwavering optimism made her the heart and soul of the Regina Maris. As the crew set sail, their unique personalities and backgrounds intertwined, forming an unbreakable bond of camaraderie. They learned to rely on each other's strengths, support each other through challenges, and celebrate their triumphs together. In the face of storms, mechanical failures, and moments of doubt, it was their collective spirit that propelled them forward. They discovered that the true essence of their journey lay not just in the destinations they reached, but in the shared experiences and lifelong friendships forged along the way. Chapter 1. Embarking on the Seafaring Odyssey, unveiling the vessel's history. Unraveling Regina Maris's past. Regina Maris, the majestic vessel that would carry Ethan and Eleanor on their extraordinary odyssey, possessed a rich and storied history that mirrored the grandeur of the seas she sailed. In her early days, Regina Maris served as a humble fishing vessel, plying the waters off the coast of a quaint fishing village. She bore witness to the toil and triumphs of generations of fishermen who entrusted their lives to her sturdy hull. The creak of her timbers echoed with tales of bountiful catches and narrow escapes from treacherous storms. As the years went by, Regina Maris found herself traversing distant shores, transporting goods and passengers across the globe. She weathered the tumultuous waves of the Atlantic, braved the icy waters of the Arctic, and navigated the treacherous currents of the Indian Ocean. Her decks bore the footprints of countless travelers, each with their own dreams and aspirations. In the hands of Ethan and Eleanor, Regina Maris embarked on a new chapter in her storied history. They meticulously restored her aging hull, breathed new life into her weary sails, and transformed her into a symbol of resilience and adventure. The once humble fishing vessel was reborn as a vessel capable of conquering the world's oceans. As they set sail, Ethan and Eleanor delved into the depths of Regina Maris's past, uncovering the secrets hidden within her timbers. They pored over ancient charts, consulted with historians, and sought out the tales of those who had sailed aboard her before them. Each discovery added a layer of depth to their understanding of the vessel they called home. The history of Regina Maris became an integral part of their journey, a tangible reminder of the countless voyages she had undertaken and the lives she had touched. It served as a source of inspiration, reminding them of the resilience and determination of those who had come before them and fueling their own desire to explore the vast expanse of the world's oceans. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pascal DeMarco. Download the ebook now.